Okay, boys and girls, I am popping back on this time with your tutorial on IXL. You will be using IXL primarily for your math and your language arts. So if you notice here inside the search bar or in the typing bar, the website bar, I have www.ixl.com/sign in /Edgewater. And then when that happens, it takes you here. So you see our elementary school pop up. Now, if you simply go to ixl.com, you will see the username bar blank. But because we typed in the sign in Edgewater, it takes us directly to the Edgewater's IXL page. So when you type in your username, you can type in your first initial and last name, and the @Edgewater is already there for you. If you just went to ixl.com, this is going to be missing. So you will have to type that in after your first initial, last name. And then you type in your password, okay? And then everybody's password is 1, 2, 3, 4. So that should be pretty easy for you. So you're going to click sign in. And you want to save your password because why not? Okay, and then it takes you to your page and you're going to click math, or if you're doing your language arts, you'll click language arts. And who knows, I might throw in some other stuff and these are the different titles you would go to. But let's say, for example, math. Here's your grade levels. Everybody is working at a different grade level because everybody's ability levels are different. So if you are, say, let's pretend we are first graders. You would click on first grade, okay? And then let's pretend like we are going to do subtraction skills, okay? I am going to assign, let's pretend for this week, your math skill domain. See this written in green? That is a domain, okay? These are your standards, but this is the domain and letter is G. So I am going to assign you to do second grade or first grade math, domain G, subtraction, skill builders, and you have to receive an award, meaning, a little award. So you should be able to see the award next to it in all 10 standard areas sometime between Monday and Friday. This you will do at your own pace. However, when it's language arts, each day I am going to assign you, today I'm going to assign you domain F, standards 1 and 2. That's it. So you're going to get medals in 1 and 2. And then that's all you're going to do for that day. And tomorrow you will get something different. So your assignment for today is I am going to actually assign you something super duper 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 easy. And you are going to do that assignment. And I should be able to see when I log in that you received an award for those assignments that I'm going to give you. And you will be able to find the assignments that I give you in the Google Classroom under today's date, Team Nakamura task, IXL. Okay, see you soon.